water from the rain and the wind blowing in. The whole thing's wet. Went all the way down there and into the bedrooms. There's Amanda filming from the distance.
We've got about 6 inches of water.
We have one more in the other bedroom that's flooding.
It's like standing in front of a fire hose and also like having a freight train come at you, but you're not sure if it's going to be.
Our front door is shaking, almost like you're sitting on a roller coaster and you go up that track where
Like someone
bounce, bounce, bounce.
pounding on it.
a creaky monster pounding on the other side of it.
Pounding.
So far we're safe.
I feel safe. Do you feel safe?
I feel safe.
I feel good about this. It's overwhelming, but
Depending on how much water comes through this door, but we are on the 6th floor, so this is kind of amazing that water is just,
it's like when you're pressure washing your house and you accidentally turn the little blower thing and hit your feet with it, except it's coming at our faces.
None of us brought boots because we were coming to a
why?
tropical fitness vacation in St. Martin.
Yes.
We were staying in a beautiful luxury villa, working out and having the time of our lives. And then Irma decided to
Join us.
excuse
She
the
does
cliche, rain on our parade. But
I do have to give a huge shout out to LuxFit that organized this trip. I know it sounds so weird at this moment, but I have to say they have done an excellent job at keeping us safe, providing us like finding this hurricane-rated shelter essentially to weather the storm in. We could have been in, a government shelter or worse, tried to weather it out in the beachside villas, which were completely unsafe. But they brought us here, they found this place, we've been well taken care of, so if you guys are looking for a luxury fitness retreat, highly recommended.
most likely we won't have to endure another hurricane in the future on future retreats. But good.
In other news, I'm going to start my own travel company where I take people on like storm chasing.
Oh, it's coming through the window.
Shit. Oh shit. Oh my god.
Yeah. So there's Bubbles that just got in. They're tripping down.
We guys are back
door.
But like guys, there's legit cracking happening.
Is that new though? Yeah.
It looks very new. Water's bubbling through it. Our windows may be hurricane proof, but it doesn't make any sense. Maybe hurricane proof.
Guys, it's coming in the window. It's coming through the window.
It's
dripping down.
like, oh my god.
Like milky rain.
Should I call the front desk?
Yes.
What can they do about it, bro?
Ask them if we should put the mattress in front of the door.
Our entire window could fall in right now.
We are going to possibly find a mattress and put it against the window.
Yeah, I'm taking pictures of it because as we're qualifying.
You can see the curtain blowing because the wind is getting through the doors. And the water is getting deeper, and there's reflection of the lamp in the puddle over there. We still feel safe, but it's just getting a little crazy.
It's like that moment where you're like, I'm good, I'm totally good. Yeah, okay, don't worry.
It's spraying in.
It's literally spraying above the window, and there's nothing
It's
we can
spraying
do about
in. This is my morning look, how I wake up for hurricanes. And this is Rachel.
it. Hey. That hurricane looked going
Woo! And I can feel it all the way back here. Mind you, there's the doors, there's the chair, and I'm standing on the other side of the chair. The shoes are soaked. And it's really flying.
Notice we're moving farther from the door.
We're getting this back.
We might have to keep the bathroom. How do we still have internet? This country is
Still have Wi-Fi.
We're moving further from the door because we're getting scared.
Alright, we're being told we have to go in the bathroom.
Okay,
So,
Bye, Facebook.
Bye, guys.
We'll keep you updated as much as we can, but
Yep, we're headed to the bathroom.
yeah, try and make a joke of
I
this, but
know.
a little bit serious kind of like that. So we're gonna go. Once we're done with that.
Still wet all the way over here. This is our other bedroom. The window's blocked with chairs, and it's wet all the way up to right here. You can see it. Everything over there is flooded. I'll probably move my suitcase, but alright, off we go into the bathroom. You can still see the rain coming down. Crazy. Everything's shut and locked tight. Woo! This is wow. I don't even have to say anything. You guys can all just watch, right? Okay, I'm going to the bathroom.